What's up guys, so this is a video on how to connect a smart remote to the GoPro Hero 4 silver and black every time. So I noticed that everybody was showing how to connect to the smart remote for the first time, but nobody was showing how to connect up after that, which is a different way. So I thought I'd make a video to help anybody having problems connecting up. So initially, the first time you connect up, you're pairing your camera and smart remote together for the first time, which you only need to do once. After that, you only need to simply connect up. You don't need to pair each and every time you connect up. So right guys, before I forget, if you like this video, give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe, leave any comments below, and if you need any help, just ask. So right guys, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to connect up for the first time, and then I'm going to show you how you're supposed to connect up after that. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to turn the camera on by pressing the mode button. See if I can get some lights on. Once the camera's turned on, you want to press the mode button until you get to setup. Press OK with the shutter button. Now we go to wireless, we press OK again. Now we go to pair, we press the mode button and we go to pair, and then we press the shutter button. Now we go to Wi-Fi remote and then we press OK. Now it's into pairing mode for 3 minutes. So now we turn the remote on by pressing the on button, and now we'll put it into pairing mode. What you do is press the settings button until you see the pairing sign. Now it's in pairing mode. With the older version of the remote control, what you need to do is when you're turning it on, you press the mode and shutter button together, and that'll put it into pairing mode. So now if you notice, you see a number 1 there, so it's telling you it's found one camera so far and it's still searching for other ones. So to come out of this, to stop it pairing, you just press the settings button once and that'll stop it. With the older version, you just press the shutter button and that'll stop it from pairing. And now we're completely connected up with the GoPro Hero 4. So right guys, that's how you connect up for the first time. Now I'm going to show you how you're supposed to connect up after you've paired up. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to turn our Wi-Fi off. So we're going to go to setup again. Press OK. Where it says RC, we're going to press OK. And where it says on, we're going to press OK again. Once you see these flashing blue lights, that's it, and it says off, that's the Wi-Fi is off now. So I'm going to hold the mode button and turn the camera off. So now that's the camera off. I'm going to turn the Wi-Fi off by pressing the mode button. And that's the remote off. So now this is the way you're going to connect up from now on, because the other way won't work because you only pair up once. So press the mode button, that'll turn the camera on, and now we'll flick back to setup. Press OK. Where it says wireless off, we'll press OK again, but this time we won't go to pair, we'll just turn it on. Press OK, and you see the flashing blue lights and it says on, so the Wi-Fi is on. So we'll press the settings button on the side to return back to the normal menu. And there in the bottom you can see the Wi-Fi sign. Now simply you just turn the remote control on and it will automatically connect to the camera. So we just wait now until it connects up. So there you go, now it's connected. So that's how you're going to connect up from now on. So right, I'm going to give you a few tips on how to use the remote. But before I do that, I'm going to show you a simpler way of connecting up to the camera, which is even quicker. So I'll show you that now. So the first thing we're going to do is go to setup again. and we're going to press OK. RC, we're going to press OK, and wireless, we're going to turn our wireless off. So there you go, our wireless is off now. I'm going to turn the camera off. Now I'm going to turn the remote off by pressing the mode button. Right, this is the quickest way to connect up once you've paired up. All you need to do is simply, if you see the button on the side, which is a settings button, you press and hold that until you see the flashing blue lights and you see the sign on the monitor. So that's telling you now that the Wi-Fi is turned on, and you'll see the flashing blue light. That's all you need to do. Go to your remote, turn it on, and it will automatically connect to the camera and turn it on. So we'll just wait for it, and there you go, it's turned it on, and we'll just wait until it connects to the remote, and there you go, it's connected now. So to disconnect, to turn your Wi-Fi off, you simply press this button on the side again and hold that for a few seconds, and once you see them flashing lights, that's it, your Wi-Fi is turned off now, and the sign's gone there, and the remote's not connected to it, if you can see that. So if I press it now again, it will automatically turn the Wi-Fi back on, and the camera, the remote control should find it again. There you go, the remote control's found it. So right, I'll give you some quick tips on this. If you press the mode button, you can see at the top, first of all, you can see at the top, all this displays a mirror image of what's on your camera, if I can show you that. So everything's exactly the same. So it's in video mode, wide, 1080p, Pro Tunes is turned on, you've got 8 videos on it, you've got 2 hours and 55 minutes on your micro SD card remaining, you've got 3 bars of battery, and your Wi-Fi is on. So right, quick tips on how to use it. If you press your mode button on the side, that'll flick through your modes. So that's photo, that's multi-shot, that's playback, setup, video. So if I press this settings button over here, and that'll take us into the settings mode. So if you want to change anything there or scroll through it, you scroll with the mode button and you can flick through things. If you want to change something, you just press the shutter button and you can turn things on and off from there. If you want to exit that menu, just press the settings button to exit that. So if I press record, it'll start recording. If I press record again, it'll stop recording. So I'll quickly show you this as well. If I press the mode button for 2 seconds, it will turn the camera and the remote control off. If I want to turn them back on, I do the same thing. I just press the mode button and it will turn them both back on. So now they're both back on. Just wait for the remote. Now they're connected. So another thing I can show you, if I press record now, you can see that it's recording. And if I want to just turn the remote control off, if I want to save the battery or whatever reason, all you need to do is press the mode and settings button together for a few seconds, and that will turn the remote control off but leave the camera on. So you can see the camera is still on and it's still recording and the remote is off. To turn it back on, you just press the mode button and it'll turn itself back on, and it will automatically sync with the camera and tell you exactly what's going on. So it's telling you there's a video recording and you're on 41 seconds. So if I press record now, it'll stop recording. So right guys, I think that's about it. So if I press the mode button, that'll turn both of them off. So what else can I tell you? The remote control itself will control up to a maximum of 50 cameras. It's waterproof up to 10 meters which means that you can take it underwater but it won't work underwater, but you're allowed to get it wet and stuff, and you can use it around the pool or wherever, and it will work up to a distance of 180 meters away. So right guys, another thing before I forget, make sure when you finish using the remote control, just go back into the menu system and turn your Wi-Fi off. If you don't, it will drain your battery. Even if the camera is turned off, it will drain your battery. So that means when you come back to it and you want to record something, your battery is going to be completely dead and you're not going to be happy. So go to setup, press OK. Where it says RC, press OK. Where it says on, press OK, and it will turn it off. Hold the mode button and it will turn the camera off. Or I'll simply do what I showed you before. Just hold on to the settings button for a few seconds until you see the flashing blue lights, and that will turn your Wi-Fi off. There's nothing worse than coming to a camera and the batteries are completely dead. So right guys, I hope this helps anybody out who's having problems connecting up, and thank you for watching guys. Like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye.